Today I want to talk about pranayama. So prana means vital force. Ayama means regulation. So regulation of the vital force is pranayama. There are number of pranayamas. Even pranayamas we do according to seasons. In summer season we do cooling down pranayama. In winter season we do heating up pranayama. So for kids specially, we can create a order to do pranayama. So starting with Bastrika pranayama, which is a heating up pranayama, then moving on to Kapalbhati, then Shitali pranayama or else Shitkari, which is cooling down pranayamas, balancing pranayama, Anulom Vilom and Brahmari. So this is the proper sequence need to follow for kids. So every pranayama can be practiced for minimum 5 to 7 minutes. And the best time to do pranayama is in the early morning, Brahma Muhurta. Rishi Munis tells to do before 1.5 hours of sunrise and sitting in comfortable postures, any 4 comfortable postures, for example, Padmasana, Siddhasana, Sukhasana, and Vajrasana. These are the preferable postures for pranayama.